Good evening, Pete here from A Bit Twisted. So today I'm out here harvesting flax seed. So we're running it through my machine to turn the bolls into basically just chaff with seeds. So we're breaking the bolls and then we're running it through our little vacuum machine here and catching all the good seed. And so that's what we're going to show you. So we're going to turn the vacuum on. Everything's been adjusted vacuum wise. And we just take a handful of chaff and seed, drop it down. And you can see that it agitates the column of seed that falls through and sucks up all the loose, lightweight stuff, throws it in over to the far side, and the heavy seed just drops straight through to the bottom. We could do it the old-fashioned way, but I prefer this way. Okay, that's the last of what I've done so far. Let me go turn this off, and then we'll show you the results. It is unfortunately very noisy to do this. So we're going to swing this down here, and I'm going to show you the seed that we get. So it's not perfect, but it's close, and the seed that we're doing is for harvest for our next year's harvest. We're going to plant this fall, probably September, October. And now I've got plenty of flax seed. Still got a whole lot more to go, so we're going to have probably a good 15 pounds of seed when we're done.